So I would say it's very brave of you also that you have come forward and you are wanting to enlighten every one of us with this the insights which you want to share. So now I would ask Alpna ji to start up and tell us about autism and her journey, what has been and how it has been.
Okay, thank you, Amita, for giving me this platform. I'm really happy to speak about autism. And yes, before starting, I'll just give you my old 20 years back experience. Shall I start or shall I?
I think Preeti, have you joined in?
Yes, absolutely. I was listening to you
So
only. I thought
now,
I will not barge in.
okay. So I was just doing your part because
No,
you
no,
were
no,
not able to join in.
absolutely. And it was
So
really nice. There were certain things I wanted to say in the beginning before the whole session starts, but I think the
so now,
internet did not support
no,
me
no,
for that.
no, not a problem. I would now want Preeti to continue and do her part. So I was only
No,
doing her part.
I think it was a very beautiful discourse. No, no, that's what I'm saying. Yes, it is very courageous of her. And before she starts her journey, there is one journey that I wanted to tell the mothers and everybody who is here. So it's a story just a week back when one of my friend in US called and said that I think my son is suffering from autism, and she was of course very scared, and she was very I mean it could you could hear that in her sound. She went to the doctor, she got the test done, and those 5 days of waiting for that result was something that brought her into depression. She was already tired of all the waiting and everything, and she was sad. But of course, the result was negative. The child was not autistic, the child was happy and everything, and she was very happy. But there are few mothers, those 5 days of waiting becomes 10 days, and then in years, and then years to come, and they start living with it. But those 5 days and those 1 year, when they actually get to know that the child is autistic, there is this feelings that very few mother can relate to. Every mother goes through attention, but that's a different kind of it. And that's what we wanted to hear from Dr. Arpana, because she is not only maternity and child care specialist. She's a doctor. She has gone through so many people, but she gone through everything in her own life, and how she dealt with it, how she got to know that the child was autistic, and what was her first feeling when she got to know about it.
Correct, Dr. Alpna. Now it's up to you.
Yeah, so we would like to hear
Yeah,
from
yeah,
you.
yeah. Yeah, thanks, Preeti. Basically, I was telling you about 20 years back when I was practicing. Shivam was just born. He was around 6 months old, and he was quite very normal child, very healthy baby. And I used to leave him with a servant and go for just 2 hour of work. Then I came across to a Down syndrome child. Down syndrome is again a special. They are also of special needs. So I was really feeling after I counseled them, after I spoke to them, I was feeling really sad about the parents. That why I was really feeling bad for them, and I was rather feeling lucky that God has been kind, that He has given me such a healthy baby. I never thought that after 2 years, when Shivam was not able to speak, I never thought that my child will be having the most complex disorder. I can say it is really very complex disorder of this with child health. I never thought, and but yeah, it was really very shocking when he was diagnosed as having as this ASD. It is basically autism spectrum disorder. So it was like I was totally devastated. I see children and my child is having this problem. So I was really, but slowly and gradually, I had that courage and that strength God gave me, and I really started working on it. Now let me tell you about what autism exactly is. Actually, autism is not a disease. Autism is neither a psychiatric problem. It is a disorder. It is a basically neurodevelopmental disorder, wherein the social and language part of the child is basically delayed. The social and the language. Earlier, Shivam was ekdam fine till 1.5 years when he got MMR vaccine. Then he started gradually, going into his own world and regressing, I can say. Earlier, he used to talk. By 2-year-old, he was totally mute, as if he can't hear. He was totally lost in his own world. Then was a time, I being a doctor, I couldn't understand that the child is having problem. It was 19 years back. Autism was not, there was not much awareness. Then with basically the main problem is when the child doesn't have any eye contact. This is very important. The child is having no eye contact. There is no communication, no means of communication, neither verbal, neither non-verbal, as if the child is, they are lost. They don't know how to talk, how to point. They don't know, I can say nothing. Then they have lots of behavioral issues. They are very hyperactive. They throw lots of tantrums. They don't know about height. There are many of issues. There are lots of sensory issues. They make lots of noise. And it is like, I can explain you in a very simple way, that it is like the child is, that you see a person in coma. They are listening. Any coma patient is listening, lying and listening what outside world is like. They are understanding what's happening outside. The same way, like these children appear normal. They walk, they jump, they gross motor is fine, but they can't the sensory and motor, basically the network between the sensory and motor is impaired. Like my son, if you ask where is mama, right now he does, but earlier, where is mama, he never used to, he couldn't point. Like there was the connection between the sensory and this hand movement was impaired. He can't point. But there are many things which very, very complex issue this autism is. And there is word deafness, as if somebody is talking in front of you in French. Will you be able to understand? No, we can't. So there are, yeah, and about diagnosing, these days we can diagnose very early. 1 year of child also, if they come to me, I can diagnose. And we can say early intervention is the best treatment. The early the child comes to us, the better it is. And a very trained doctor can really diagnose. There is no test or no lab test for diagnosing autism, unless there is some history.
Okay. So what do so there are so many, you just told that now there is more awareness about this disorder, and people
Yeah.
are more aware. Like my friend, she just rushed to doctor. Her child is just 3-year-old, and she rushed to doctor. The first hint that she got, he might be autistic. But there
Yeah.
are similar other disorders that people confuse with, and just add more stress to their life, thinking that is my child an autistic child, or half of people are not even aware of there's something called ADHD. Also, not every child is having
Definitely.
this neurotic disorder. They might be having just ADHD, which is clinically, I think it's curable.
Definitely. It
If
is
yeah.
curable. Now
So
I'll
would you
explain
like to
you.
throw
I'll
throw
explain.
some light on these two problems?
Actually, we call it is ASD. This is autistic spectrum disorder. This is the whole spectrum. The milder form is ADHD. Understand? Milder is ADHD. Middle is PDD. We call it pervasive developmental disorder, and the last is autism. So basically, ADHD children are very mildly autistic. You have many examples around, like Bill Gates, like William Wordsworth, like Einstein. They are very high functioning autistic people. They are really brilliant in some, or either maths or one activity. They are brilliant. And ADHD people, if intervened at uh, early intervention is done, definitely ADHD is curable, 100%. They live independent life. There are, but about PDD and autism, as it is like, at it goes severe, it's really tough to manage, because they always need, autistic always need a shadow, though they are also very intelligent. The only problem is to communication. We feel that, Are, ye to, psychiatric case hai or something, people say, but no. They are basically developmental delay. They are not at all a psychiatric case. People have become very much aware these days. What problem I used to face 15 years early, I'm not facing today. And yes, I am very hopeful for my son. He is 20 right now. He's quite independent. He cooks his own food. Obviously, I don't allow him hot cooking. He is very independent, but you have to work a lot. I did 8 hours of intensive therapy when we were in Mumbai. By God's grace, we were there for 12 years. And you can't imagine, he used to go to two set of schools, one normal school and one special school. And in the meantime, I was working. I always kept working for some part-time, because for me to raise him, for me, it was very difficult being a doctor and being a mother. Balancing together both the job was really difficult. So I had to work to keep myself happy and at peace. So I always kept on working part-time. And tell me if
Hats off to you.
yeah,
I must
tell
say
me if
hats off to you. Means I just tell every mother that they do so much to make sure that their child is reaching all the stages of their life with the right milestone, and they're working hard. They're working hard outside. They're working hard inside. They're working hard on their kids. And then there are mothers like you, and then we have another mother in this group who is listening to the entire conversation, Mrs. Rekha Rustagi. She is also blessed with a child. He is autistic, of course. She is blessed to have a child who brings out the best. I think autistic child is given to those mothers. It's my personally, I don't know how many of it believe, who has the motherhood is with everyone. Super motherhood with some ladies, and those super motherhood ladies actually give the best to the autistic child. And I wanted to get back to one thing that you said. ADHD kids, few of them are highly talented. They are good at one strong thing, and if given the proper guidance, if given the proper training and everything, they can do brilliant. for me, every child is a child prodigy. Every child is good at least one or two things. And since normal kids are so dedicated in so many different things, they're doing a lot of things, it becomes really difficult for us to point out one thing they must be brilliant at. But in ADHD and in autism, you said that there's one thing they are very inclined to. There's one thing that they are doing, continuously doing. We read about it everywhere. How can we take out that one thing that they are so intensively into to bring out the best in that? Because I have seen autistic kids playing brilliant violin, brilliant piano, brilliant guitar, and beautiful musicians.
Yeah.
How can these mothers spot this one thing and bring out the best in their child?
See, you have to keep on giving all the things, all the like I gave Shivam brush, paint and brush. I gave Shivam, my son, puzzles, jigsaw puzzles. A mother can understand actually. Like Shivam is very good in cooking. He's very good in kitchen. So I feel one day he'll definitely become a good chef. I feel. Now my focus is that he should only, I think mother is the best person to judge. Let the mother give all different activities, like give them brush, give them iPad, give them puzzles. You understand? You get got my
Yes,
point. Give them
yes,
computer,
yes, yes,
because there
absolutely.
are many children very good at computer. So
Okay.
basically, the mother has to find and then build on it. Now I am building. Shivam is very good in puzzles. He's excellent in jigsaw puzzles. He can do in seconds, which we will take 10 minutes. He can do in seconds. He is very good in kitchen. So I'm sure that he will do definitely something good uh, in cooking. And rest, I failed. I tried exploring computer. I gave him lots of color activity ki bhaiya koi painter hi ban jaye, because I heard there are good, very famous painters who are
No,
who are
absolutely. That's what I'm saying. Some are beautiful violinists. They're beautiful. And the one thing that you said, I think it just speaks my heart. Mother knows the best. We
yeah,
just
mother.
know it.
Yeah,
Yes, we just
yeah,
know it.
yeah, that's true.
So beautiful talking. In fact, your son is 19-year-old. Rekha ji, if you can just unmute yourself and tell us how old is your son right now?
He's 22 plus, and he's not an autistic child. He's
Okay.
having a delayed milestone. Just because of that, his speech got delayed, so everything
Okay.
got delayed. So just because of that, तो उसके साथ ना कुछ काफी सारे इश्यूज रहे, तो जो एक्यूमुलेट हो गया, अब वो उसकी ना सब कुछ डिले हो गया. बट ही इज वेरी गुड इन कंप्यूटर. And like Alpana said, he's very good in managing the house also.
Wonderful.
So he was very
Wonderful.
good support during the lockdown period of last year. So and he's very good. He's a very socialite person. So I
Okay.
can't say he's an autistic child.
Okay.
And he loves to he loves music, but he's not very keen to learn all these instruments. He knows tabla little bit, but not very focused. But he's very focused on computers, so he's doing well in that field only.
So one thing that we mother can just bring out and then start putting. See, every mother does that. They just have to find out. I just feel that the mothers, mother like Alpna, that they are blessed enough to know one thing, that they can just give their heart and soul and brain to, and the child will come out well. So yes, so one thing that my friend Amita was once discussing with me is when she went out in a park, there was this autistic child. Yes, every kid looks so beautiful and so nice. You just want to play with them. But of course, there are few mothers who are, I will not say they are bad or something. Maybe they have less knowledge about this field, or they have not read enough, or they have not got this whole experience. They didn't. They were not very happy allowing Amita playing with the kid. So one message that you would like to give in very small 1 minute or so to these mothers who are not very comfortable their kids playing with an autistic child.
Pardon, for me you are telling?
Yes.
See, I don't care about the world. Like last 20 years, say, I've just become indifferent. I've become confident. You have to be very strong. Be a strong mother. Let the dog bark. This is my thing. I don't care. Earlier, I used to care. I've stopped caring. I just care about Shivam, my happiness, my family's happiness. That's it. Thank you.
Absolutely. Anybody, I don't think we have much time left, but anybody, Amita, can we have one question from the group?
I guess we can rejoin in next 2 minutes again, so that because I have few more questions which I want everyone to understand. So Mansi, can we re-record it? Can we all leave the meeting once it is done and
Or
then
what I
rejoin the
feel is,
meeting?
Amita, can we have one more session next week wherein there is going to be an open house and people can ask questions? I think everybody must be having one or the other question.
If Alpana and the Rekha ji, they permit us, then we can really have one more conversation.
Okay, let us see. Huh? I'll let you all know.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Because half an hour is not enough.
Yeah.
Everybody is not getting that kind of a time, and I think everybody wants to ask something and know something and learn something from you.
Exactly. So if Alpna ji and Rekha ji are okay with with this request, what has come, so we can have next weekend, or say next to next weekend. What we can have is like a YouTube live, or we can go Facebook live, so that this time limit ka issue nahi rahega. So we can
Yeah.
directly go to YouTube live, and we'll have one more session, because I also have many questions. There are these basic difference which Alpna has cleared, that what is the difference between autistic child, and there are variations in being an autistic child also, ACSD and the other मतलब जो इन्होंने points बताए, ये मुझे भी नहीं पता थे. And as Preeti said that yes, I also have an एक जो encounter मेरा रहा है, which I had discussed with Preeti also and with Alpna also. So I would also want to discuss this thing in the next coming session. And also we would be having questions from people, that there are many other things which are there in my mind, and may, as Preeti said, that काफी और लोगों को भी कई सवाल होंगे. So we want that these answers, these questions to come up, and these answers to be given in the next session. So my request again would be to Alpna and Rekha ji to please have one more session with us, so that we can get a clarity on this issue. We can make and we can discuss out that क्या क्या problems है, क्या क्या हमें समझना है, हमें आगे लोगों को बताना भी है, what is the difference between autism and उनके जो दूसरे और variables हैं. So Preeti, you can
I
continue
think
with
it
your.
would be a great idea. We can continue next weekend, and we can definitely do a Facebook live wherein more and more people can join. And I think it had been a beautiful session. Of course, I wasted some time. I told you the internet was not in my favor today, but whatever I did and whatever I could hear, it just fills my heart with gratitude, happiness, and love for every mother around and every kid in this world. So thank you so much, Dr. Alpna, and maybe we can continue this between you and Rekha ji and any other mother who would like to join us next weekend, or whenever we are planning this, to share their stories with us.
Just one minute. I want to say something, Preeti.
Please tell me.
एक्चुअली मैं एक स्पेशल बच्चों का ही एक सपोर्ट ग्रुप चलाती हूँ, क्लब इंद्रधनुष के नाम से. सो वी हैव अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप आल्सो, वी हैव अ फेसबुक पेज आल्सो. सो व्हेनेवर यू प्लान समथिंग लाइक दैट, सो आई विल आल्सो शेयर इन माय ग्रुप आल्सो, सो दैट मोर एंड मोर पीपल विल join.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Definitely, means you will share the link and I'll share in the group also.
Thank you so much. This sounds really lovely. See, I told you it can be a platform for every mother to come on board and share their experience.
Right.
Okay. So should we see, Amita, just plan it. You are the planner in our WikiDHRC, and let us know.
I will definitely do that, dear. I'll definitely
Yes.
do that. And we look forward for our next session. Thank you so much, Rekha ji. Thank you so much, Alpana, for being so brave. And as Preeti said, that yes, बहुत कम mothers ऐसी हैं जिनको ये भगवान ने choose किया है. I would say that being mother of a gifted child is itself, it is a gift.
You're a
हम तो अपने
chosen
बच्चे को
one, I
शायद
think.
2
Yeah.
साल 3 साल ही देंगे. But when you are spending so much of time with your kid, it is a blessing. It is
Now
a
I call
blessing.
them the chosen ones, like Harry Potter. They are
Yes,
the chosen ones.
exactly,
Yes.
exactly. So thank you everyone for being here. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Mansi, for taking care of the entire. Matlab, she is the support system, technical support system, and thank you each and every participant who has taken time and to hear this conversation on autism. Thank you so much.
See you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.